Alkaline, nobody them know Alkaline. How Alkaline, eh? Big Bowas Alkaline, eh? We can't pass no clothesline, eh?
May I represent for one Media Fox?
Media Fox, Media Fox. How the latest news them lock. Media Fox, Media Fox. Trending, nah stop. Media Fox, Media Fox. How the latest report them.
Go on, you don't know Media Fox, you know. Yeah, man. You know, yo, I tell you, you know. I turn up a touch, you know. Me nah ease them up. You understand? Yeah, man. But people, right now we're going to chat in a cemetery right now. Zine, we're going to link Golly Bop. You see, you can look at everybody I get it. You understand? Yeah, man. But we're going to link Golly Bop. Zine? Yeah, man. Golly Bop. Where you drink? Where you drink? Yeah, man. Where you want? I have a special now. Real nephew or where you want? Cranberry or where you want? Alright, cranberry? Alright. Golly Bop. You remember this? Remember when you just start? I go play a video, people.
Every girl want to walk off of me. Yeah. Every girl say they want piece of me. Boom. And every girl them a dive after me. So then
Golly Bop. Remember, you know, rising internet. Remember say, you start the bossing on the internet thing, you know. Remember, man, you are going with your thing and every little thing, man. Zine, and we see what I go on. And them a try push on everything and them a push up on Sting and is what me a try say. And them a try put you down the cartel route. You see it? Yeah, man, cause we don't know nothing and every day them. We see them a try do. You see me? Cause every artist them forward with them do it with squash too. Every artist them forward with them send them off for Alkaline. But R.I.P. You understand? R.I.P. Is what me I try to say? Yeah, man. But people, me I go play some clip or video. Zine, can remember this, you know. Zine, we I go hear where Golly Bop say. Yeah, man.
Yeah, man, Alkaline. We them got dirty mind. Alkaline, nobody them know Alkaline. How Alkaline, eh? Big Bowas Alkaline, eh? We can't pass no clothesline. Eh? Guy Baggy could have talk, you know. Him couldn't pass no clothesline if George could have talk, you know.
Golly Bop. Golly Bop. Remember when you forward out? Yeah, man, just go and drink your real name, man. You remember when you forward out? Cause everything, you know, every time you call Alkaline name about jazz off a line. But Golly Bop, look on that picture, yeah. Remember say a 2 teeth you have in your head, you know. And you see the other picture? The 2 teeth gone. So what that tell you say? A 2 panty you take off. You understand? I never Alkaline, I did you. But because you want to paint that picture there. You understand? 2 teeth gone out of your head. No way to be found. You understand? But we'll make you go and talk.
Guys, just jump off a line and came up from them and the pussy work. You know what time to take your teeth and take me off of my waistline. Or the bucket Alkaline. The girl put 35 guards up on line, you know. But the girl come from America and looking at us 95. We think she up on her mind. Me, no, it's Alkaline. Because Alkaline are the only man who can judge off a line. If you're the man of jam judge, the real call him baggy jacket.
Golly Bop. Remember say, we see why what you did want to do, you know, cause all of the narrative where you did a push are you, the story they had for you, because for your forward in the dancehall space, a 2 teeth you have. So the other rest of teeth them gone. Because we don't see no evidence Alkaline with that, you know. You have the evidence, cause 2 teeth in your head, so where the rest of the teeth them gone? Where the rest of the teeth them gone, you have to come explain that. You see me? But people, you see in a life, it show you. Cause remember, you know, I drop some video from where the people and I don't know if people have followed up the story, you know, I want to tell you, you know. You see in that era there when Golly Bop boss, every artist were boss in a them time there. Them try to drag them over in a cartel thing or if you take cartel side or whatsoever. So everybody will take cartel side, then push them out for this Alkaline. Zine? So, these are the thing, people. Zine, Golly Bop, go up and sting. Zine, remember now, cartel of 49. Golly Bop about 62. Zine? So, Golly Bop more older than cartel. So, in Golly Bop boss, them been a try put the cartel thing on him name. And them a try shoot him out. You understand? But me I go play that clip here and make your ear. Zine? Cause in a them era, then nobody could do nothing. And cartel name no call. I remember say Golly Bop banned before cartel. Zine? Cause everybody boss in a them time, them want to compare. That's why them never like Alkaline. Because through Alkaline never time name to the Gaza thing, to the cartel thing. You see what I try to say? But I play that clip here and make you see what I go on. So, wanna hear the effect. Zine? You won't say no. So many artists. You won't say in bad like cartel. So, you know, say that's how the effect start, you know. You see it? And me I go play some clip down the line. And I go realize what me I talk about. Zine? Alright. So after that now, you know, people. Zine? Look at now, you know. This is when him dip on the CM show a perform.
When you to them call Alkaline, that the boy when got on the mind, that the boy a yam charge off a line, that the boy a yam charge off a line. Oh man, that's not the one on the line. What on again? What on?
Cause this are the thing, you know. The only thing him talk about are Alkaline and jazz. Zine kinda really have no more lyrics, you know. You see what me I try say? I was be him so obsessed with the jazz online thing when film teeth them missing out a film head, you know. Cause it look like, as Ninja Man say, the jazz them eat it out. You understand? Yeah. But here we must say people. So, wanna see what me I talk about? Wanna see what me I talk about? So, you hear him say all of the Gaza fan them. Him call the Gaza fan them, you know. Zine? And I'm going to show you down the line what was the plan, and I'm going to tell you, Zine, and I'm going to remember what I talk about. But here I'm going to say after I call out the Gaza fan them.
The boy Alkaline fuck monkey. He won't fuck up Addy.
So, you hear what him say? What Alkaline do? Fish shake up Addy. Boy, so basically, he must say, Alkaline Ray with monkey, you know. Basically send cartel to prison. This is some of my time. This is the thing, you know. In a them time there, you know. It's like these artists never so strong enough to like carry them own energy, like, you know, do them thing by themselves without I try capitalize off our strength for this a man. You understand? Cause him just forward in the game. Zine, me know him did basically in the gully, but cartel never see him in a gully. Nobody never see him in a gully. Everybody starts seeing when him come out of a gully and him get the little internet fame and ray. You understand? So, if you see a 62-year-old man, Zine, elderly for cartel thing, forward, you see it, start push the Alkaline thing and I try this Alkaline them thing. Remember, you know, Alkaline and do Golly Bop nothing, you know. And that are the thing, you know. All of them with this Alkaline are those creates of Alkaline is because of cartel. You see, none of them have nothing with Alkaline or nothing. And because of cartel, it's like so many men carry feelings for one man to try this a local youth. May I tell you, but here we must say people. You see it, so him a perform on every little thing. You see me, and I do him thing, and cause remember, you know, none of them call Alkaline name to get a forward. You see it? Yeah, cause Alkaline really made them like that. Them what them do back in a them time there, them push up be artists to Alkaline like, yo, them a say, yo, when I give them man a props, very, this, that. Alkaline say, yo, me not really. Them a want push fit for make him feel like, for make it seems like, say, yo, Alkaline not rate nobody. Because them not do that to another artist, you know. Alkaline, them want paint a bad picture. You understand? Because them a say, yo, the youth are going like him not respect nobody. The youth respect everybody. But them a paint the picture say him not respect nobody. Because them they want him give a man special ratings. You see me? Because that was the industry push. You see me? Every artist a boss, if pay homage to that man, yeah. You see me? Nobody enough it does boss and forward in a game and not pay no homage. So Alkaline forward and us do him own a thing. You see what me I try to say? Yeah. And this is the thing, people. Zine, this is when him go Seaview, you know. Attack one bag of thing. But look here now. Him a go expose some. Zine, here we must say people.
Somebody know what? There's some big man that business and come and rate. Once the boy in your Alkaline just bust out. Him the last DJ. Man a try this all. Look at the man. Monty the man. Popcorn the man. Cocoa tea the man. You know what I'm going to do?
Yo. So him a say, him a diss all. I mean, I know of Alkaline dissing Cocoa tea and all of them look or something there. And this is the thing, you know. You see how damage control create Zine? Cause if you check the facts, we don't know if Alkaline are really only somebody who could have say a bounty. And first of all, a bounty start everything. Alkaline start nothing. And them create this propaganda thing for try to call down the youth thing and make the youth feel like so the youth are diss them. You understand? When a them rush the youth and disrespect the youth, and I expect say the youth will just take it and not answer whatsoever. You understand? That are the thing. Zine, but we got here where the bop as me, you see me?
Fireman. So them going like a madman about the place, you know, because I'm not afraid of nobody. Yeah. I build my career, you know. And if I've done film career to make my own get up there, not done in career, but now
say hear what him say? Him say if I feel up film career, if I down film career, I would do it. But when I check it, Golly Bop never really have no career, you know. You see me? Yeah, man. Because this is the thing in our people. Them push Golly Bop and you say him at this Alkaline, every little thing, every little way him go. Him try for this. And you see the last moment when him need the help, nobody's there for help him. So you see him, people, them will send him out for this Alkaline when them time they, you know see what Alkaline work when put in, accomplish now. You see me? I reap from it now. Zine, when Golly Bop sick, Zine, and need help, there is nobody there to help him. So all of the one bag of this and Ray and Alkaline, this and Ray. The same people where shoot him out there, them not have him back. Nobody not there to help him and pay him bills and every little thing for him sickness. It show you in a dance and say, look here, people will use you. And when you reach at your last moment, them not dead for you. You understand? Yeah, cause them not do it, you know. Cause them afraid. You see it? So them send out people, goons, for try attack. You see me? So if the goons ya fail, then say, oh, I even go after him or whatsoever. But it show you how the dancers space. Imagine Golly Bop, Zine, at a age, a forward. Alkaline not do this, brother, you nothing. And him just forward out of the blue and say, yo, this and Ray and Tay and this. Zine can take everybody, you know. I take up man feelings and attack man, you know. And now pray for them career. And that's why them career end up in a delulu. You understand? Yeah, man. But people, I got hear what I say.
they bad mind him, because we bad mind people.
And this are the thing. Majority of them attack Alkaline. A bad mind and bad mind. You see it? Bad mind. Because them see what the youth are do in the space, and them not like to hear the youth name a call. And the hit song them we are playing all of them something there. The whole of them are bad man. Because Alkaline never do nothing, never there on Alkaline or certain little things. You see what me I try to say? So that a bad mind, brother. You see it? Because look here, a man say no note for this a man who never did have to do it. But because you realize say yo the artist you do a thing and Ray and Tay, Zine, you say yo the boy are Ray too much. Uno bad mind. Who all uno? A bad mind and a bad mind because you can't just get up and just want Ray fight a youth or so. Zine because he might elevate and he might do him thing. You see it? Or not take up man feelings and all of them look something there. Bad mind, brother. Cause if uno the inner the space where him there, is what me I try to say, me know no even a made certain little thing, but because you know reach pan elevate, you don't want to reach up. Cause you see him one say, if I fi bring him down or mash up for him career for your one lift, you will do it. It show you a bad mind thought that.
I see if you say more life. I know I see you the man say boy, I'm more wife. So you have some boy I go and like say, oh him, let me tell you about him man if you don't know who Alkaline. If you ever live down here so right now, you have a plan police down here. That the girl in camp not just one line, that me make you know.
But you might talk about Alkaline and Jazz pan line. Now him down a Seaview and him teeth them missing. So that means say Jazz them are missing down a Seaview. Are you? Cause there's two teeth in your head.
I'm saying that boy a bag it a killer though. You never know, you know. I'm little sister is like him, you know. I'm bringing him to the place and I'm up there, you know, man. I've tried to wash all the panty man put on line to camp.
Yo, this is one dangerous piece of thing in a people. Yo, you have to take serious thing, make joke. Imagine, say them youth ya, them know Alka, you know. Say them know Alka and Ray, but the way how him serious and the way him attack, all one bag of crap, about sister this and Ray. Imagine them youth ya look pan him and all that believe what him a say. You understand? And then the youth they start spread and say yo, but Alkaline Ray. Is what I try to say? But we go hear what I say.
Fine, if you got 35 once you come back to find 9. What things you have on our mind? I'm a man Alkaline man, so you man don't know I put a real bad people in there.
So basically, the reason why I'm good on a CV, you know, cause none of them artists, you know, you see, that's why them career fail. Because them a work off a man's strength. Zine, cause you know, say Bounty and Alkaline no good. Zine. So him gone on a CV, you know, cause you don't know a Bounty place that. So him want the strength. So him want walk around and talk about Alkaline and this up Alkaline for try get that strength there for your man. Push for him thing. But brother, I know say it work. Them only use, you know. You understand? And then dash on one side. Is it? Yeah, man. So all I know, we get the goons for send out a ray or try for this Alkaline or try for carry feelings to your next man. Kind of seem like say, yo, man, this man or whatsoever. Just because a man say, yo, him rate a man like any other artist. And that carry you all on the feelings. And then after that now, on focus on one man and focus on the career. Because on put on a career on our man foot. And all our result end up in the same equation and fail. You understand?
So, me not like man, we are jumping and I keep people drag off a line. I think they're taking up. Like picking up and I'm afraid of nobody, you know. They're bad people. And I see you with it.
And that are the thing in a people. Zane, sometimes a lot of artists forward out. Zane, and let me tell you, a lot of artists in a dancehall, them love handouts. Like, them love big strength. Them will do anything. Forget the strength. But them don't know, say, brother, I know so the game work. You understand? I know so the game work. You see it? Cause if you go work off a man's strength, warm to when you have to keep up your own strength. You understand? Cause if you go use a man's strength and bring down a next artist, see? Warm to when you for dominate your thing. You see? Cause you not build no fans that way there. You understand? You not build no fans that way there, you know. When you're dip on a man's side or under a man's wings and a build for him thing, you endorse him, you know. You not build nothing for yourself. And anytime when your time forward for dominate, you not have the fans there. You not have that strength there because you've been endorsing them and the thing and strength. You understand? Yeah, man. But we are play a clip and hear what I say.
Yo, you boy Alkaline. How you take us up, man? I know Gully Bop. I know Family. I know Vibes Cartel. You can't look for the cheap body sacks in the world and not try this way.
Ah, boy. I don't know, you know. Him really, cause I remember say one night time, man, Tammy Lee, he go up on a little tour thing and you know. Cause you don't know. At that time, too, you know, Cartel there prison, him want to get the Gaza strength, too, you know. You understand, for push him thing. You see it, but it seems like it never worked out when him did need the help because I was not there. You understand? Yeah, man. And that's how the thing said. You see it, so everywhere him go, when him had this Alkaline, him call Cartel name and I say, yo, this, that, Ray. You see what I try to say, so? I saw you think go, people. You see it? Yeah, man, when you not focus on your career, and you take up a next man's feelings, and try for this artist, yeah, man. All I wanna go down that same road all day. You see me? All I wanna go down that same route there. Yeah, man, now go down a ditch, man, go park up, man, and can't come out. You see it? Yeah, man. Cause look at Alkaline today. A youth, we are dominate. We have a lot of haters. You see it? A lot of artists run out. You see me? Because of one man energy. And them feel like saying this a man or whatsoever. But we are right there now. You understand? Alkaline a do him thing. Right now. Him have him shows them a keep all over the world. Him sold them out. You see me? People are gonna run and say, people always are gonna hate, that's how it go. But no matter what happen, the thing on gonna get more powerful. You see it? And all what this and Ray and build up a next man fans and energy. And when it take them forget back the strength, the same man now give them back no strength. But the same man use them for this Alkaline. Yeah, man, that happen. But here must say people.
Let me tell you something, Alkaline. Me suck my mother. Let me tell you this. Don't try this attitude.
And this are the thing, people. Them one bag of artists, yeah. You hear him say a while ago? Don't try this, daddy. Remember, you know? Yo, so I have a laugh, you know. I don't know why all these big men calling Cartel daddy. Where them get them energy from? So, Cartel are 49 and Golly Bop are 62. Zin? And this a man here, I call Cartel daddy. Yo, may I tell the people, and this is why sometimes you see them man your career just jaja. But I saw it go, R.I.P. Gully Bop. But them try to use you for bring down the vendetta boss thing, but I saw it go, it never work, cause Alkaline thing different. You see me? Them did that try set up Alka, but I saw it thing go, them never, it never work. You see it? The youth still a strive today. I saw you think go, you see me? More in the fight the youth and more the youth get stronger. You see what I try to say? But all of them will run out, check for them career today. You understand? Yeah, man. But we are here with myself again.
Don't try this gun.
You see me? So yeah. One of them thing the people. You see it? And in a life, you have to just focus on yourself, focus on your career. You see it? But I saw a thing go Golly Bop. You see it? R.I.P. Yeah, man. I left the real navy at your graveside and make you go and drink. You see it? Yeah, man. See a buckle of cranberry there. You see me? Yeah, man. But people, they don't know, you know. Yeah, man, I'm media facts, man. And we have to talk something and some of my time. You see it? People know what go on. Because Alkaline fight over there, I don't think the dancehall artist ever get such a fight yet. And if you see the youth, Alkaline hold up so strong and still dominating today, trust me, it's a powerful youth. I tell you, Alkaline is a powerful youth. Because if I some artists, I see so much artists them bring down and you know see them artists they last. Can't find back them career, them even get bookings, nobody don't know them there. And if you see the whole industry try to fight Alkaline. And the youth still there same way. Trust me, it's a powerful youth. You understand? And the youth, you know where the youth do, when enough of them never did that do, him focus on him craft, him focus on him aim for him career. Him focus on him career so him can guide him career into the right path. You understand? And that make the youth thing up till this day, I dominate and I kick down barriers. Wanna see what him do. Keep him own and show him in a Jamaica attack forward. You see it? The youth name still relevant today. You see it? Yeah, man. But people, when I don't know media facts, you know, yeah, man. Know things trending. That is it.